money counter.
That's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
It's so fast.
That money could go in your bank account.
Are you serious? Yo, I'm not pressing.
If you press the button, you will win $18,000, $21,000.
I'm not pressing.
$25,000.
It's going to get to 100.
Guys, somebody press it.
30 grand. It's going up so fast I can't say it.
Dude, that's a down payment on a house.
Oh, 13's starting to hover.
I'm gonna do it.
You are?
Don't do it.
It's a lot of money.
Oh, it looks like 11's hovering.
Don't do it.
$50,000 if you press that button.
Are you thinking about it?
I'm thinking.
Do it. Do it.
No.
65.
Yeah.
Do it. Do it.
Oh, she took it.
Whoa!
Ooh, that's $69,000.
I'm sorry to take that from you guys. I'm sorry.
Stop it. Stop it. You're good.